Great news, everyone! Cynthia Untamed just won an award, Top 35 Under 35 Youth in Kenya. Yay! And today we are going to unbox that award. So stay tuned. I am proud to be one of the top 35 Under 35 Youth awardees in the Media Advocate category. Whenever I amplify the stories of young change makers in my community, they tell me that they want to build this country and this continent for their children. I'd like to tell young people out there to never give up. Never be afraid to start small. Believe in your initiative. Keep trying. Network. Volunteer. Asante sana to the youth agenda. My name is Cynthia Nyongesa. Welcome to Cynthia Untamed, your youthful and educational platform where we have conversations with and about children and youth in Africa. Top 35 Under 35 Youth Awards in Kenya is the brainchild of the Youth Agenda. If you have not heard of the Youth Agenda, this is a non-governmental organization that works to advance the rights and needs of young people in Kenya. This was done in partnership with the Ministry of ICT, Innovation and Youth Affairs here in Kenya, as well as the United Nations Population Fund and other partners. So be sure to check out the Youth Agenda website, subscribe to their YouTube channel, follow them on Twitter, on Instagram, and also like their page on Facebook. The Top 35 Under 35 Youth Awards had different categories ranging from entrepreneurship to creativity. I'd encourage you to apply next year, as you will also benefit from a one-year mentorship program as well as a diverse network of young people and leaders from any industry right here in Kenya. This is my certificate from the Youth Agenda. It came in an envelope, as you can see. So let's unveil it. So the certificate has my name on it, Cynthia Nyongesa, of course. Then it also has my category, Youth of the Year, Media Youth Advocate. And it says for her outstanding work in this category. And you can see the sponsors or the partners there: Youth Agenda, UNFPA, Ford Foundation, Farmers Media, HEMBA, and the Ministry of ICT, Innovation and Youth Affairs. The award also comes with a commitment letter which I signed that says that I will be committed to the Youth Agenda and its programs for the next 1 year. So I'm very excited to see what's going to go on in the next year. And one of the things is that I am an outstanding person in achieving the SDGs and its various activities. I also got a trophy for my outstanding work. This is the box. What do you think of the box? I like it because I feel like it secures the trophy. You can see that the box is written Cynthia Nyongesa awardee there, Top 35 Under 35 Awarding Youth Excellence. Are you ready to see what's inside? So let's open it. Woo! There. Woo! So one of the contents inside is it's a sash. Let me show you how the sash looks like. The sash has two sides. This is the first side. It's written Youth of the Year, Media Youth Advocate. And I was awarded for my outstanding work in amplifying the stories of young people. So do check out this digital platform, CynthiaUntamed.com, and make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let me show you the other side as well. This is the other side. It's written Top 35 Under 35 Awarding Youth Excellence. Has the partners there: UNFPA, Youth Agenda, Ministry of ICT, Innovation and Youth Affairs. That's the sash. And then now we get to my favorite part, which is the trophy. Woo-hoo-hoo. Please clap for me. So there it is in a nice reddish kind of linen there. That's how the inside of the box looks like. It looks like that. And then the trophy is there. So let me show you the trophy up close so that you can see it really well. What do you think? This is so beautiful, and it really is a testament of my hard work, to be honest, and a testament of your support. Thank you for reading my digital platform. Thank you for subscribing to CynthiaUNTAMED.com. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for always following the work that I do. So this is the trophy, Top 35 Under 35, awarding Youth Excellence, Youth of the Year 2020, Media Youth Advocate. Then you can see the Youth Agenda logo there, UNFPA logo there, Ministry of ICT, Innovation and Youth Affairs, and then there's my name. I love it. I really love this trophy. This is only my second award, guys, but I am just so humble, so honored, and just so happy. I hope that you enjoyed the unboxing of the award. I am so happy and so excited. And just as I conclude, I'd like to tell each and every young person there who's starting something for themselves, for their community, whichever space you're trying to grow and to nurture yourself, and you're looking for a breakthrough, just keep going. Don't give up. My journey has not been easy. It hasn't always been a walk in the park. There are days I just wanted to give up. There are days, honestly, I was asking God, why did I even start this thing? I should have just lived a normal life, not tried anything at all, because that would have spared me a lot of heartache, a lot of disappointments. But I just kept going, and I wouldn't say that the strength came from me. I would say that the strength came from God, who gave me the strength. And even the Bible says that he who began a good work in you will bring it to completion. So I trust that this is not the end, but it is just the beginning of great things. So I'd like to tell you, no matter what you start, you can go very far. My journey up to now has been a journey of about 5 years. So it hasn't been easy. It has been difficult. There are challenges that I can't talk about here, but I can tell you for sure it has not been easy. But I also kept going because of the young people who kept bringing their stories to life and enabling me to tell those stories. It's because of people like you who kept sharing and who keep sharing what I do and the stories that I amplify, and that I am very, very grateful for. I hope that you continue to stay in touch and in tune with Cynthia Untamed, just so that you don't miss any updates on any conversations with and about children and young people in Africa. Just keep going, no matter who you are, no matter where you are. Just keep going, never give up, keep trying, keep believing, keep looking to the one above. Don't depend on people, but depend on God alone, and that way your doors will continue to open. So keep staying in touch, keep following the work I do with Cynthia Untamed, as well as with Generation Unlimited, which was launched by the President of Kenya a while back, and this is a global partnership to empower young people across the globe and right here in Kenya, of course. So stay in touch. Follow me on Instagram at CynthiaOprah_Nyongesa, on Twitter at Cynthia_Oprah, and let's keep youthful conversations going, conversations with and about children and young people in Africa. And let me know what you want to see next on Cynthia Untamed. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. beautiful day, and a smile